Hi everyone, please excuse this, what do I call it? This stay-at-home look. I haven't made a video in a while. I was inspired today to make like a buy it and try it video. So here's the inspiration for this video. I was laying in bed last night craving ramen, which is kind of funny because I don't actually know what real ramen tastes like because I am gluten-free. So today I'm gonna try this Lotus Foods Rice Ramen. It's millet and brown rice ramen. We're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so the directions are very simple. Also, do not be alarmed by this. This is just water from when I just cleaned this pot. You add 2 cups of water and then you're gonna boil it. While the water boils, I'm gonna prep some toppings. So I'm gonna definitely add some lime. I have some green onions. I'm gonna chop up just a little bit of these to add on top. Extra flavor, garnishing. I have some cabbage. I'm gonna just wash it and then slice it up finely for some extra toppings. Okay, now that my cabbage is washed, I'm just going to finely slice it. Well, somewhat finely. I wish I had one of those things for the undercutting boards. That would make it not slide around. That would be very helpful. Alright, now that our water is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and open the package. So far, that's what it looks like. It looks like ramen. Here's the seasoning packet. Okay, this is looking so yummy. I mean, look at this. Doesn't look gluten-free to me. I haven't added any other seasonings because I don't know how salty this is. But I can tell you the package says it has 590 milligrams of sodium, which is quite a bit. So I'm gonna hold up on adding any soy sauce or anything like that. That looks so good. Delicious.